Hey friends. Hope you all are fine. Welcome to our channel Civil Engineering Guru. As you all know that previously we have discussed different branches and sub-branches of civil engineering, and in previous video, we have discussed advantages and disadvantages of civil engineering. The link of previous is given in the description. So today I decided to explain foundation engineering branch of geotechnical engineering and sub-branch of civil engineering. So move toward the topic. Foundation engineering. What is foundation engineering? In engineering, a foundation is the element of a structure which connects it to the ground and transfers loads from the structure to the ground. Foundations are generally considered either shallow or deep. Foundation engineering is the application of soil mechanics and rock mechanics, geotechnical engineering, in the design of foundation elements of structures. Now move toward the next topic. Purpose of foundation engineering. There are different purposes of foundation engineering such as foundations provide the structure stability from the ground. They distribute the weight of the structure over a large area in order to avoid overloading the underlying soil, possibly causing unequal settlement. They anchor the structure against natural forces including earthquakes, floods, frost heaves, tornadoes and wind. They provide a level surface for construction. They anchor the structure deeply into the ground, increasing its stability and preventing overloading. They prevent lateral movements of the supported structure, in some cases. Now we discuss the requirements of a good foundation, such as the design and the construction of a well-performing foundation must possess some basic requirements that must not be ignored. They are: the design and the construction of the foundation is done such that it can sustain as well as transmit the dead and the imposed loads to the soil. This transfer has to be carried out without resulting in any form of settlement that can result in any form of stability issues for the structure. Differential settlements can be avoided by having a rigid base for the foundation. These issues are more pronounced in areas where the superimposed loads are not uniform in nature. Based on the soil and area, it is recommended to have a deeper foundation so that it can guard any form of damage or distress. These are mainly caused due to the problem of shrinkage and swelling because of temperature changes. The location of the foundation chosen must be an area that is not affected or influenced by future works or factors. Now we move towards our next topic, that is types of foundation engineering. There are different types of foundation engineering such as shallow foundations, deep foundations. Now we discuss the first type of foundation engineering, that is shallow foundations. Shallow foundations, often called footings, are usually embedded about a meter or so into soil. One common type is the spread footing, which consists of strips or pads of concrete or other materials which extend below the frost line and transfer the weight from walls and columns to the soil or bedrock. Another common type of shallow foundation is the slab-on-grade foundation, where the weight of the structure is transferred to the soil through a concrete slab placed at the surface. Slab-on-grade foundations can be reinforced mat slabs, which range from 25 centimeters to several meters thick, depending on the size of the building, or post-tension slabs, which are typically at least 20 centimeters for houses and thicker for heavier structures. Now we move towards next type of foundation engineering, that is deep foundations. A deep foundation is used to transfer the load of a structure down through the upper weak layer of topsoil to the stronger layer of subsoil below. There are different types of deep footings including impact-driven piles, drilled shafts, caissons, helical piles, geopiers and earth-stabilized columns. The naming conventions for different types of footings vary between different engineers. Historically, piles were wood, later steel-reinforced concrete, and pre-tensioned concrete. Monopile foundation is the type of deep foundation. Now we move toward monopile foundation, that is type of deep foundation. A monopile foundation is a type of deep foundation which uses a single, generally large diameter, structural element embedded into the earth to support all the loads, weight, wind, etc. of a large above-surface structure. If you enjoyed our today's video and find it helpful, then please like and share our video. If you have any questions in mind, you can ask in comment box. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe our channel Civil Engineering Guru. Help us grow more. Thank you. Bye.